Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City. I want to talk to you today about this Apex Ultra Lite 300 BHS. It's a really great new floor plan we're getting, and Coachmen and Apex quality all around too. Right, as you can see right off the bat, a really nice big front window. These front windows allow in so much really nice light, and they really open up the spaces inside. I think these are a really big plus to be actually seeing these guys on the trailers now. So we walk around here, you have solar on the side, plug and play solar. It makes it really easy to tether in your solar panels, park in the shade, tether it out to the sun, so it'd be able to do the work for you. You have really nice pass-through storage here. You have a strip of LEDs inside that'll light up for you, so you don't lose anything in there as well. So you have magnetic latches on these guys too, plus there's slam latches, so you just set it up, let it go, and they close really easy on those guys. Long trailer, 30-foot floor plan, and you have a really big awning on this guy too, so you can make quite a bit of use of your outdoor space as well as indoor space, not only under the awning itself, but in the additional outdoor cooking area that's down on the side. So you have bunks in the rear here, and they make use of a lot of that void space that's made available underneath the bunks, and they make great use of it with this outdoor kitchen here. Really big fridge, extra storage, plug-ins for some extra stuff too, extra storage as well, and a faucet. And you have right here a Coleman canister grill. These guys do a lot of really great work. A grill instead of a kind of a stove top as well. And these guys do some really good work there as well. So let's tuck it all back in. It all buttons away and clicks shut. Now that we've talked about the outside a little bit, let's go inside and see why this floor plan stands out. Wide double axles on this, and you have a really low weight on it. Your dry weight is 6,275 pounds. So for something of this length, it really hits a really nice weight point too. Right off the entrance, you notice there's a lot of space. You have your media center here. The television swivels around when your pocket doors are out for your bedroom, and there's access in and out through here through your storage doors there as well. Your bedroom, you have really nice storage space on either side, plus up top. Like I noticed that window is doing a lot of really good work in here, making it really bright, making it feel really open. You have access to this from either side of the bed, and there's also storage underneath the bed as well. You walk into the main room, it's a lot of space here. So this is kind of like the Apex 251 RBK, but with an additional bunkhouse off the rear. So you have your jackknifing couch right here, great extra seating right next to where you want to be. Plus you have your dinette here. This is actually set up so you can see how it would look like if it was going to turn into a bed as well. Just take those extra cushions, fill in the gaps, and you have about 6 feet long right there as an extra bed. Really big window right there, so that there's still quite a bit of light here. Everything that's trimmed out on this side is in your slide out, so you get a lot of really depth in your counter space. You can actually set things there like Instapot, coffee pot, blenders, and have them out of the way while you're prepping some food. You have really nice countertops here too over your sink. Double basin sink. These are really nice sinks, and double basin always makes it so you can conserve a little water while you're washing up and preparing things as well. Nice hardware on your faucets here as well. Furrion stove system, so really nice fold back backsplash that covers up, and it can be used as some good countertop space as well. You have a lot of drawers here too, so you're not going to be missing out on leaving anything behind. You actually have the ability to bring a ton of stuff in here. Your bathroom is farther back. Nice deep basin for your tub, so no water. You don't have to worry about water splashing in or out when you're taking your shower with your curtain. Big skylight and adds a little bit of extra headroom over the shower. And then we go back into what makes this kind of a really standout unit here. This is your bunk room. So it's a complete bunk quarters that can be closed off with your sliding pocket door. It's a lot of storage space back here, plus you have 3 extra sleepers as well. You have 2 bunks on one side, and one of these bunks actually folds up out of the way, which is really nice. And that modular futon on the bottom too can be used for another bed, or really can be moved however you want it to be. If you wanted to sleep some extra people here, spread it are a little bit further out on the floor, you have the ability to do so. Plus, a lot of windows, a lot of windows. So this space, even though it's on the rear and it can be closed off, can stay bright. If you have any questions about this unit or any other unit we have a Guarantee RV, stop on by and say hello, or give me a call, 773-655-7190. That's my direct line. Thanks.